Come on.
Treat yourself, you deserve it. The Mobile Spec OC Car and Truck Show, June 6th and 7th at the Ocean City Convention Center. Over 700 of the hottest rides. The legends of hip-hop, Mike Jones and Paul Wall will be performing and signing autographs at the show. Models from Maxim, FHM, Import Tuner, and more. The world-famous Dub Magazine booth. ESBL Pro Street Ball, Vendor Alley. The OC Car Show Green Zone with everything green. Plus DJ, celebrities, live performances, dance crews, and break dancers, and so much more. Saturday 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., Sunday 10 to 6. Tickets sold at the door. Enough stuff in one place to blow your mind.